One treatment option we have at Nova Chiropractic and Acupuncture is dry needling. So with dry needling, we use an acupuncture needle to help release a knot or a trigger point that's formed in a muscle. Often this happens when a muscle is injured, and what happens is when we place that acupuncture needle in there, it helps to relax that tightness and helps to decrease the pain. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a demonstration of some dry needling on her leg. Now what the patient's going to feel is just a little tap. That's me tapping the acupuncture needle in. And then we're going to insert it into the tight area. Now a lot of times when we do this, the patient will feel the muscle do a twitch. That's called a twitch response, and that's normal. And then that may reproduce some of the pain that she's been having. So it may reproduce some dull, achy sensation in that area. That's actually a good sign that we released it. And then also, it may also, like I said, reproduce the symptom that she's been having. And we'll do that throughout the area where there's problems. So in this case, we're going to apply a couple more here. So there's a twitch right there. Mm-hmm. How would you describe what that feels like in your leg?
It's just like a little jolt in my leg. It's not a response that I can control, it just happens.
Yeah, so it's an involuntary response, and what is the signal that we're kind of releasing that tension, and the body's output is in that twitch right there.
And I often don't even feel the needle going in until you perhaps hit a spot.
Right. Sometimes we may put it in and you may not feel anything, and that's okay as well. But a lot of times you'll get that response like we've achieved there. The biggest side effect to dry needling is you could just experience a little muscle soreness, like you worked out for 6 to 12 hours. I tell patients just to drink a little bit more water and that will help, and then that'll go away. But very effective treatment. The nice thing with dry needling is once we get that twitch response, we can take the needle right out. So unlike acupuncture where we leave the needles in for 20 to 30 minutes, this is a real quick treatment and they're in and out. But very effective, and that would be enough for that one trigger point that we were targeting. There may be multiple trigger points in an injured area, and we would kind of clear out those, but that's how dry needling works. The biggest thing with dry needling versus acupuncture, so with acupuncture it's a complete healing system, whereas dry needling is a specific muscular treatment to fix an injured muscle. If you have any questions, give us a call at 703-912-7822, or you can schedule online at novachirowellness.com.